Hey guys, it's Riley from Science Girl, and today we're going to be making a DIY bouncy ball. For this, we are going to need food coloring. We are also going to need Elmer's glue, white glue. I did a previous one where I used glitter glue. Came out pretty well, and it still bounces, so I guess that'll work. Borax, cornstarch, 2 cups, a half cup of warm water, along with a tablespoon. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to take the warm water, going to put it into 1 cup, and we're also going to take our tablespoon and get 1 tablespoon of borax. And put it in with warm water. And now we're going to mix it up a little. And now we're going to take another tablespoon in the other glass, and this is going to be a cornstarch. We are also going to add the 2 tablespoons of glue. So 2 of these, and this stuff comes out relatively easy. Just get out what you can for this. It really doesn't make a difference. You just have to get as close to it as you can. Okay. And now we're going to mix this up. When you're done, it should sort of be like a paste. It's sort of sticky paste right now. Yeah, so it comes out being sort of like a sticky paste, and now you get to add your dye. This is going to be my 3rd bouncy ball. 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the first to see how it comes out. And let's mix it up. I like the bright yellow color, nice and sunny. Let's just add 1 more, make sure that we get enough. Remember, when you're dyeing it, you can't turn back. So if you add too much, say, green, and you don't like that shade, there's no turning back. So add little bits at a time of it. There we go. It's actually starting to look yellowish. It's a nice yellow. Reminds me of summer, sun, the beach. Okay, now we just need to pull this out and get what we can off of it. You aren't going to ever be able to get off all of it, so that's what we're going to be left with. Now we're just going to mix this up 1 more time. Okay. Now, pulling that out, we're going to mix these 2 together, then we're going to wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so let's pull it out now. It's going to feel a little bit weird. Definitely did for me, but you'll get used to it pretty quickly. Sort of feels like wet rubber almost, sort of like a bouncy ball that you just dipped in water. So let's get as much of it out as we can. There we go. Okay. And now from here we just are going to play with it, really move it around. The more that you play with it, the harder that becomes, as you'll see. Right now it's sort of just like wet, so your hands are going to get a little bit damp. They will get covered with a little bit of it, but don't worry, it comes right off with warm water and soap. So I'm going to continue to play with this, and I'll be back when it becomes sort of like a bouncy ball. So it's sort of like a bouncy ball now. It's starting to stick to me a little bit, but now we're just going to rub it in a ball. roll it into a ball. And that should pick up most of it. As you can hear, there's like a little bit of crackling sound. But when you stop hearing that, that usually means that the ball's just about done. So it's still there, not very prominent though. Okay, I think we're good. Don't hear a crackling anymore. Yeah, Bouncy Ball 101. Also, be cautious on where you put this, because wherever you set it, it will take the shape of it. So if you were to put it on, say, a rock, it'll take a mold of that rock. It'll mold around it, which I find pretty cool. But it also doesn't come in handy when you're trying to set it down on a flat surface like this. Yeah, so the more that you do play with it, the harder that it will become. And let's see how high it can bounce now. Ready? Set. Not very large, but you do have to say and think about, you made this. You made it. So it's not going to be that, well, it's not going to bounce that high, but it'll still work. This is toxic. Don't try eating it. Also, it will go bad because of the cornstarch in it. So you will have to make a new one within a few months, I believe, or maybe a month or two. I'm not too sure. If you know, please tell me so that I can use that for future videos. So yeah, bouncy balls. Also, don't peel them apart. I accidentally did that with one of my previous ones, and it won't go back together no matter what I do. Nothing works. So never pull it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Have a great day. But for now, this is Science Girl.